Long-range shooting isn't just a skill. It's an art form that's captivating more shooters worldwide each year. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or just starting your precision shooting journey, hitting targets at extreme distances requires a special blend of focus, refined technique, and, above all, the right equipment. At the heart of every successful long-range shot is a rifle scope designed for precision, clarity, and reliability. Choosing the right scope is not just about preference. It's the difference between a clean hit and a complete miss. With countless options available today, finding the perfect optic can feel overwhelming. That's where we step in. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best rifle scopes for long-range shooting in 2025. Whether you're aiming for tight groups at 1,000 yards or pushing the limits far beyond, we'll guide you to the perfect scope that matches your goals and your budget. Let's get you dialed in for success. Number 5. Leica PRS 530x56i. German precision at its finest. Kicking off our list is the Leica PRS 530x56i, a scope built for premium quality and extreme precision. Leica, famous for legendary optics, delivers a first focal plane design aimed at serious long-range and competition shooters. With a magnification range of 5x to 30x and an ultra-clear 56mm objective lens, you'll experience stunning image clarity even at the farthest distances. The 34mm main tube, waterproof and fog-proof construction ensures rugged reliability. But the real standout is Leica's world-class glass, offering razor-sharp images, rich color fidelity, and unbeatable contrast. If you demand elite European craftsmanship, the PRS deserves a hard look. Number 4. Vortex Razor HD Gen II 636x56. Battle-tested brilliance. Number 3 belongs to the Vortex Razor HD Gen II 636x56. A scope with a legendary reputation among competitive shooters and tactical pros alike. Offering a massive 636x magnification and 56mm objective lens, it's perfect for ultra-long-range engagements. Built like a tank with a 34mm tube and Armortech lens coating for scratch, oil, and dirt resistance, it houses Vortex's HD optical system for edge-to-edge clarity, excellent light transmission, and minimal chromatic aberration. With precise turrets, a solid zero stop, and versatile reticle options, this is a do-it-all scope ready for any challenge. Number 3. Bushnell Match Pro ED. Elite performance, friendly price. At number 4, the Bushnell Match Pro ED proves you don't need to drain your wallet for high-end performance. The ED stands for extra low dispersion glass, giving you remarkable clarity across its 530x zoom and 56mm objective lens. Engineered specifically for precision rifle competitions, it boasts features like a locking elevation turret, toolless zero reset, and an illuminated, easy-to-read reticle. For shooters seeking maximum value and serious long-range capabilities, without the premium price tag, the Match Pro ED delivers. Number 2. Burris XTR Pro 5.530x56. Innovation meets excellence. Topping our list for 2025 is the Burris XTR Pro 5.530x56, a scope that blends cutting-edge features with competition-level performance. Designed with precision rifle competitors in mind, it introduces a modular elevation turret system that allows quick swaps for different shooting scenarios. With 5.530x magnification and a 56mm objective lens, it offers versatility for PRS stages, hunting, or extreme long-range shots. Excellent glass quality, a competition-optimized reticle, and an incredibly user-friendly zero-click stop system make it a standout. Best of all, it delivers high-end performance at a price that undercuts many elite competitors, setting a new standard for long-range optics in 2025. Number 1. Nightforce ATACR 735x56f1, the professional's choice. In second place, the Nightforce ATACR 735x56f1 stands as a true icon of a light-level performance. Trusted by military, law enforcement, and top-tier competitors, this scope is engineered for extreme distances with surgical precision. Its 735x magnification, massive 56mm objective lens, and bomb-proof construction make it a force to be reckoned with. Stunning optical clarity, flawless tracking, and a superb first focal plane reticle combine to create one of the most reliable scopes on the market. For those who demand uncompromising performance, the ATACR is the ultimate ally. Conclusion: pick your precision. There you have it, our top 5 rifle scopes for long-range shooting in 2025. Whether you're chasing a championship, stacking steel at 1,500 yards, or gearing up for your next range day, these optics offer the clarity, precision, and reliability you need. Which one would you trust when the shot really counts? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more precision shooting reviews. Until next time, keep your crosshairs steady and your shots on target.